Starting a business does not always require a large investment, expensive equipment, or a big office. In this video, we are sharing top 10 micro-business ideas that can be started on a limited budget and have the potential to grow into profitable ventures over time. Number 1. Mobile phone repair service. Smartphones are essential tools for communication and work, creating constant demand for affordable repair services. With basic technical training and simple tools, you can start helping customers fix screens, batteries, charging ports, and software issues. Number 2. Local delivery service. Many small stores and local businesses need affordable delivery solutions for their customers. A bicycle, motorcycle, or even walking deliveries in crowded areas can help you start this business with minimal investment. Number 3. Social media management. Small businesses often struggle to maintain active social media accounts and attract customers online. Offering content posting, basic graphic design, and customer engagement services can create a steady source of income. Number 4. Homemade food business. Busy workers and students frequently look for affordable, home-cooked meals. Preparing quality food from your home kitchen and selling through local networks can generate consistent demand. Number 5. Laundry and ironing service. Many people lack time to wash and iron clothes regularly. Providing convenient pickup and delivery options can make this simple service highly attractive to local customers. Number 6. Digital printing and design. Businesses, schools, and individuals regularly need flyers, banners, business cards, and marketing materials. Starting with basic design skills and outsourcing, printing initially can keep startup costs low. Number 7. Vegetable reselling business. Fresh vegetables are purchased daily in most communities, creating a reliable market. Buying directly from farmers and selling in local neighborhoods can help increase profit margins. Number 8. Home cleaning service. Households and small offices often need affordable cleaning assistance. Offering dependable and professional cleaning services can quickly generate repeat customers and referrals. Number 9. Tutoring and skills training. Parents and students constantly seek additional educational support and practical skill development. Teaching subjects, computer skills, or language courses can become a profitable, low-cost business. Number 10. Water purification and delivery. Access to clean drinking water remains a challenge in many growing communities. Supplying purified water to homes and businesses can solve an important problem while creating recurring revenue. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching this video.